In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send message with balloons effect on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off you need to open up Messages app and then just scroll down until you find a conversation you would like to send a message to. After that, just hit right here at text field and then just enter your message here. And now, guys, to add special effects to that message, we need to long press at this button, not just tap on it, because if we just tap here once, it will send a regular text. However, if we long press on it, we will be able to choose a different effect from here. And also, if we switch to screen, it gives us some additional effects, and then we can swipe to the left until we find that balloon special effect. And then in order to send our message with that effect, we just need to tap right here at send. It will send a message here, and also it will show us that preview, so now we can see what it would look like to the person we send this message to. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.